Where are the friends in town? Right now my heart is feeling down. Straight from Kensington, me people impaired on them head gone down. Straight from Kensington, it seems like there are no true friend around. Me coming straight over from Kensington, reporting to me fellow human, reporting on this opioid explosion. It causing some serious human erosion. Hope I ain't coming in choppy. Tell me how you copy. Are you feeling sad or you feeling happy? Like flies my people dropping, sniffing and popping. Yet you keep selling so them keep on shopping. Well I guess them ain't stopping. Straight to them coffin. Fentanyl and xylazine have them born out rotten.